5 Court Kings. 31. Gio, thank you again, Gio. Good luck. All right. Guess the first auto for 20. Go quickly. Oops. I'll add in another case after this on a 4-box. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Siakam, Giddy. Anybody guess Adam Bona? Adam Bona. Sixers. We better have a 1 of 1 in this. This case has been pretty tough. Ronnie, Salon. Oh, first steps. I thought that was level 4s. First steps of Rob Dillingham. And there's Clintman. Sorry, Ron Holland, excuse me. On the purple. Game used jersey piece of Paulo. Behind that, 2 colors. Got a sliver of the blue in there. Nice. Damn, I honestly thought that was like 2 level 4s. That threw me off. Yes, always, always. No matter who I am, always. You want to send that to review? Up to you. I review everything. If it was me, it's $7. You would have paid for that money to ship it to PSA anyway. I just get it graded. I mean, I would get it reviewed first. Bobby Clintman. Amber. Collier Sar. Bronny level 2. Carl 3 Towns. Topic. Jaw on the purple. There's another Stefan Castle. 3 color. Today was the Castle Day. On the Art Nouveau. Cool. Come on, we haven't had a case hit. Level 0, level 4. Come on. What's up, Firebird? Sorry. I might have missed you when you guessed. Bridges. Bridges. Okay. Oh. Oh, come on. Come on, Gio. A PC piece, Meta World Peace. First time I've ever hit Meta World Peace. I've hit more Jaw autos and Luca autos compared to Meta World Peace. PC piece for Gio to 99. Sar, Shannon, Collier, Pink of Jaw, Buzelis, Sar on the pinky, and Alexandre Sar on the 3 color. Well, are all of them Art Nouveaux. Yeah, if we don't have anything in this last pack, I don't know what to tell you guys. Redemption. That's also a first. Need some help on Sun Yue. Or Sun Yu. Not familiar with Sun Yu on the brushstrokes. Suns? Phoenix? Shannon. Clintman. Buzelis level 3. Siakam red. Klingen. Okay, alright, we have a case hit. Victor game used. Oh, okay, got it. Lakers. It's old school, I'm sorry. Got it. State of the art. Is this a Tatum? Ooh. It is. Game used patch of Victor. And there's our state of the art of Jason Tatum. Finally! GeoVids, a little love for you. I haven't seen a state of the art in the last few cases. Yeah, the big boy. I'm sorry. I was thinking it was a rookie. I'm sorry. I was thinking it was a rookie. Don't ask me why. All right, Gio, a little bit of something for us. Let's go. Hey, maybe a level 4 of Shireman, Turner. Maybe a level 4 of Shireman coming. Maybe. All right, and a couple of Lakers. A little, yeah, there we go. Guys, let's just kill the case. Let's do 32. 32, we'll do 32 because we know there's a level 4 in there already. Let's do 32. And then we can start tomorrow on fresh. That sounds like a plan. Or we could start tomorrow on 32. Or we could start tomorrow on 32. It doesn't matter. State of the art of Tatum. For Brother Gio. Come on. These last 4 boxes better be insane. They better be insane. These last 4 better be gnarly. Break. All right, give me a minute.